Hello everyone, this is the Steam Oven Guru. Today we're making Miso Glazed Black Cod. This dish is very simple, super yummy, can be made in a regular oven, and can be perfected in a combination steam oven. Here we go. This dish only needs 5 ingredients. First of all, get yourself some black cod, not a regular cod. And I like to use a low sodium organic miso paste. Some mirin to go with the Japanese flavor, and any type of cooking wine that you like. All this can be found in your supermarket's international section or the refrigerated international section. And finally, some sugar. Normally this is done by feel, but we're weighing everything out just for the sake of the video. We have about 500 grams of fish, and we need about half that in weight for the marinade. We have 100 grams of miso paste, 80 grams of mirin, and approximately 20 grams of cooking wine. Additionally, you can add between 20 to 30 grams of sugar to taste. So overall, the weight of the marinade is slightly lower than half the weight of the fish. Thoroughly mix the ingredients until there's no clumps into a thin, let's say chocolate milk texture. And you can begin marinating into a container like this. But today, we're going one step further. We're using a vacuum sealer to ensure that flavor penetrates into the fish even better. Just get your longer sized bag ready, fill it with the fish by folding the outsides over so it doesn't touch, top it off with all the marinade, and make sure you're using the wet seal function. After sealing, we marinate this in the fridge between 1 and 3 days.
3 days later.
Now take the fish out and leave it on the counter to come to room temperature. Go to your oven and use convection bake to preheat it. I'm using the Miele combination steam oven here, and I'm going to operating modes, convection bake, and setting 400 degrees Fahrenheit for a preheat. While the oven heats, let's get our vegetables together. We're using equal parts of bell pepper, onions, cabbage, cauliflower, and broccoli. Toss them together with some oil, and I'm using this roasted garlic seasoning, but really you can use anything that you like. Now that your veggies are done, set them aside and get a different pan. I like to line the bottom with some parchment paper to prevent burning onto the tray. And then remove most of the marinade from the fish and lay them flat on the bottom of the tray. If you have a regular oven, just keep it on convection and start cooking right away. Now in this Miele combination steam oven, we're going to go back and set combination mode. We're selecting maximum broil and selecting the power level of level 2. Then we're going to add about 12 to 14 minutes of cooking time on this dish. My fish is a bit larger, so I'm using 14 minutes. And the cool thing about these steam ovens is that you can add steam while cooking. So we're going to be broiling while adding 40% moisture so that the fish can be delicious and also not dry when it comes out. Now put your ingredients in the oven and let's start cooking. Oh, but wait, if you do have a Miele oven, it should have some markings on the side like this. And the trick is to put the fish on the second level from the top, and then the vegetables right below that. This way the broil does not burn the fish and creates a good flavor and kind of a nice caramelization on top with the sugar. And of course, my steam oven is asking me for water now, so let's fill the water tank. If you are doing a new build or a renovation, I recommend getting the waterline plumbed version of this, so you don't have to worry about the water. After about 14 minutes, my fish is done, and look at that. Everything looks beautiful, so let's plate this up. I'm adding some Japanese-style rice spice to my magically appeared sushi rice. Now this will add some color, texture, and flavor to the rice. Overall, just a nice touch to make the whole plate look prettier. So scoop in our rice, some vegetables, and finally the beautiful piece of fish, and our dinner is complete. I hope this video was helpful, and let me know how it turned out at home for you. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and most importantly, share with others who need this information. This is the Steam Oven Guru, and I'll see you next time.